What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just got a new MacBook Air and I want to put a skin on it. All right, here is my brand new MacBook Air, and I wanted to put a skin on it, and I couldn't figure out which design. I was going to go with the lions, and then, I decided why not just go simple, plain. I got this. It's by XSKN. It's a premium bodyguard. Can be removed even after years of application. Let's take a look at this. Oh, man, tab broke. Little perforation here is totally worthless. Run the finger in there. My hope is that it will look just like the anodized aluminum and provide some protection, especially from scratches and probably not so much dings. Cleaning wipe, wet and dry. Microfiber cloth here. That's to get all your fingerprints and dust off before you apply anything. But since mine's brand new, I think it should be pretty straightforward. And look at this. Here is the skin, and I will tell you what, that's a pretty close match. Maybe just a little bit of a purple shift to it, but a pretty darn close. Now we do have a top skin. We also have a skin for inside, as well as the trackpad, which is kind of interesting. And then we have one on the bottom here too, with cutouts for all the screws, as well as the feet. I don't really care about the inside one as much, although I might use this trackpad one. That might be kind of interesting, just to keep it nice and clean. So I'm going to install these two, and let's see how it goes. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just put the skin on top just to see how close to the edges I can get. Now, side to side, there is very little gap, man. It is pretty precise. And then front to back, man, there is not going to be much. I mean, I wouldn't even say there's going to be a millimeter gap. And I am lining this up right on the logo too. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start basically on like a far edge, on the shorter of the skins here. So I'm going to just peel back. I'm going to line this sucker up as best I can. Okay, so I think I've got it lined up with this edge here. So I'm going to go ahead and lay that down. And starting it is probably the most important thing. And then I kind of unroll it and smooth it out, because you can see air bubbles are kind of the natural thing that want to happen. And if you kind of make sure that you're avoiding those as you're rolling it out, then you don't have to kind of press those suckers out later. Wow, and take a look at that. That is great. Really precision cuts. Fits the logo really nicely. And as you might be able to see here, if it focuses on the edge, man, I mean, there isn't a lot of space for forgiveness, but it looks good. I mean, you put that down and it doesn't look like it's any different than any other MacBook. So I'm going to install the bottom, but I will tell you, I don't think the process will be any different, and I think it looks great. So I'm really impressed with this XSKN Premium Bodyguard. Just a nice way to protect your electronics and retain all that stock look. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.